Okay, we're ready to head inside, and indicative of the way this whole boat operates, look at how smoothly her side door opens. And we will now, I think I'll shoot a little bit from right outside so we can get some wider shots. This is the after portion of the salon area. And settee over there, and our helm. And now I'll go ahead and enter here. Okay. And we'll pan around to the port side, where we've got a drop leaf table and a couple of chairs for a nice little dining area. Go in a little closer on the helm. And we'll take a look at our overhead electronics as well. And let's go ahead and pan down to the galley. We'll get a little bit of a shot from up here. And then we'll go ahead and step down. Our oven and range top right here. Nice and clean, just like the rest of the boat. Little trash bin right there. Nice deep double sink, stainless steel. And the refrigerator is a nice top freezer with plenty of room. And it is an AC/DC. I'm afraid it probably doesn't come stocked, but at any rate, lots of room in there. And now we'll take a look at our forward V-berth. You do need to step up to get into these, but in doing that, you got lots of storage underneath. And an easy step to get up into the V-berth. So we'll come around now and we'll look at some locker storage. And we'll come back out here, take a look at the VIP head. Just everything is indicative of how well maintained this boat is. She is a beauty. Here's our electrical panel. And now we'll head back to the master stateroom. As you can see, these huge windows and lots of light. You got a little area here where you step down to get to the master, and off to the right is what is right now just a closet. However, in looking at it, we can see that it's set up to put in a combo washer dryer if somebody wanted to. And now the master, bear not included. Again, all kinds of storage lockers. Flat panel TV mounted. More storage for hanging items. As we come around to the starboard side, we see even more storage. And then we'll take a look at the head. Very spacious as well. Super clean. And a nice roomy tub shower combo. Where even some bigger folks can fit in there. So next up we'll head back to the salon, and in our final section we'll show you the engine room.